Kerdi Board is a lightweight, multifunctional building panel that provides simple and easy alternatives to traditional building methods. One Kerdi Board application that is particularly useful when remodeling is installing the board directly over existing tile. This saves demolition and is a quick and simple procedure. Check out our Working with Kerdi Board video for all of the details on cutting, fastening, and waterproofing Kerdi Board for your installation. If you are fully embedding the Kerdi Board over the tile, any panel thickness is suitable. When spot bonding, a minimum of 3/8" panel thickness is required. Any preparation of the substrate must be done prior to the installation of the Kerdi Board. Most importantly, removing anything that would inhibit the bond of the board to the substrate. In this demonstration, we are going to be installing Kerdi Board over an existing wainscoting. We will be applying thin set mortar over the tiles first. Apply the thin set mortar using the flat side of the trowel. Then, comb additional mortar using the notch side. Use a notch size that helps ensure proper coverage. Then, we will use the spot bond method on the gypsum board portion of the wall. The spot bonding will allow the Kerdi Board to be plumb once installed. Place spots of thin set mortar on the Kerdi Board panel or substrate in intervals of approximately 12 inches. Embed the Kerdi Board into the thin set mortar. Use a straight edge or level to align the board. Tile can be set immediately over the Kerdi Board using the thin set method. It is a simple and easy way to update your tiled walls. Kerdi Board can also be used to build out substrates when different tiles of different thicknesses are used in the same application. For example, large format tile is a particularly popular design trend. When used in conjunction with smaller format tiles or mosaics as accents, there will often be a difference in thickness between the tiles. Kerdi Board is an easy solution for this application. Select a suitable thickness board and dry fit with the tile to ensure a flush transition. Install the Kerdi Board using the thin set method, where the thinner tile will be placed. Tile can be set immediately over the Kerdi Board using thin set mortar. Kerdi Board makes it possible to tile directly over existing substrates and achieve smooth transitions where different thickness tiles are used. Schluter Kerdi Board. Build it, tile it, love it.